Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. Let's get these blinds open. Today, I'm bringing the vlog with me to get ready for the gym. And I'm going to be going over my eyebrow routine, makeup, and hair care. Surprisingly, get a lot of requests for that. So, first things first, I'm going to take care of my dishes that I didn't do yesterday because I was lazy and sleepy. I'm ready for coffee. This is golden caramel. It looks like a latte, but it's just black coffee. It is delicious, though. Okay, dishes are done and I have showered and I'm ready to cut my hair, I think. So my hair, I do want to keep it growing out for the first time. I'm not going to cut the length of it, but the layers have been getting pretty long and it just hasn't really been looking how it's supposed to look in my eyes. So it's time for me to trim up the layers a bit because my bangs are like all the way down here now. So I'm just going to trim that up a bit. But for anybody wondering about my hair care products and such, I use this shampoo and conditioner. This brand is very good. I got it at Marshall's for like $6 a bottle, which is a really good deal. Like the name suggests, it does leave my hair feeling very silky and hydrated. So I also use this. This is like the travel size. It's almost gone because I use it almost every day, and it's just like an argan oil. And here. I'm not really going to go into detail with how I trim my hair just because I do have a whole separate video already on my hair cutting process. So I'm going to try and breeze through this. Here's the before. And I will see you after. Since I'm growing it out, that was a rather simple trim. I'm just gonna get the hair out of here now. Now I'm gonna give it a little blow dry on the top layers to see how it's looking. Woohoo! That is honestly looking way better already. I'll probably tweak it in the next couple days as I see how it settles, but much better. Okay, for makeup, we are back out in the living room because I prefer the natural lighting and because there's a nice breeze right now. So I get so many requests on how I do my eyebrows, and I get a lot of nice comments complimenting them, but I do also get some comments saying they don't like my eyebrows. So in my opinion, the best eyebrows are the ones that you like. I personally do like my eyebrows, so I'm gonna keep doing them the way I do them, and I'll show you how I do that. So I'm gonna look in the viewfinder kind of like as my mirror, but I use tweezers to trim the extra hairs right here under. So I have a few to get right here, and same on this side, there's a few. And then as well as the top. There's not really as much on the top. Sometimes I'll use a wax strip and just cut it to the shape of my eyebrow so I can get a really straight line, but I don't have wax strips right now and it's not always necessary if it's just like a few hairs. The fact that some people love my eyebrows and some people hate them is proof that you can't make everybody happy, so you should just focus on making yourself happy, as long as you're not hurting anybody. This eyebrow is trimmed and this one is not. You can see the difference. Okay, now we can see all my natural eyebrow hairs. I'll just brush through like this and get all the hairs in order. And then I use 2016's favorite eyebrow product, Anastasia Dip Brow, and an eyebrow brush. I get a little bit of product on the dip brow. Wait, what? I get a little bit of product on the brush, and then I kind of like scrape off any excess on the side because you don't want to have like too much because this is pretty dark. And then I'll start with the bottom right here and just kind of make a line with very soft strokes and go all the way to the tail. Kind of extend a little bit. Trust the process. And then same thing with just a little bit of product. Go to the top and bring it all the way over. So now it looks like a big eyebrow that's missing a lot. And I use the spool to brush it, and it kind of moves around the product, and then add a little bit more to the other side of the brush and just kind of fill in where it is necessary. And then when I get around here, this area, I use a very, very light hand. So it's not too blocky the closer we get to at the front here. Okay, so now this eyebrow's done, and I will do the same thing to this side. And then a good reference for me, I don't know if this works for everybody, but I find the contour of my nose, and then I put the brush, and the tip of the eyebrow should be right about there. Now the rest of my makeup is very simple. I only use 2 other products. So I have this blush from Glossier, and this is Puff. It's like a paste. Put that on my cheek, and sometimes a little bit on my nose, and up here as like a little eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the cheeks. So this is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's like whatever. I kind of just use any mascara. Sometimes I might do a little bit more eyeshadow or maybe put on some lipstick. I have this lipstick. I'll do it just for the video. It's not really much different. It's just slightly darker than my natural lips. My hair is trimmed, makeup is done, and it's time for some breakfast. This trim is actually looking quite good. Let me see, a full like 360 so I know what to fix tomorrow. Alright, for breakfast I'm making my classic, never fails me, eggs and sourdough. It's so easy to make when I don't feel like cooking too much and I get enough carbs and protein to start the day. One hand crack. Can we do it? Oh, yes, we can. Frank's Red Hot is my go-to. Here's my creatine, HMB from Transparent Labs. We got sour grape. This is delicious and my favorite way to get my creatine in. I've been trying to take it with breakfast so that I don't forget, because it has to be taken daily to be effective. Give that a spin. Let's eat some breakfast. Cheers. So today is my bench day, which should be fun. I'm going to a new gym now, and I really like it. I finally made some friends. It's hard for me being antisocial to being an antisocial introvert makes friendships hard to come by. So I'm glad to have some friendly people at my gym. I need to get stronger. That's why I'm drinking this creatine, because, bro, I have not hit a bench PR in forever. My last bench PR is 130 pounds like 8 months ago. Skill issue. It's honestly just a skill issue. My deadlift and squat have been getting better though. It's like a powerlifting gym too. So people are just like squatting, deadlifting like 600 pounds. And I'm like, I wish. I just gotta train harder. But it's good. It's a good environment to be in. All right, quick little fit check before we head out, because we are all ready. So power joggers in size medium. I'm usually a size small, but I like them a little bit bigger. And then open back top, and then the strappy matching sports bra to match the sweatpants. I got my gym bag always pre-packed and ready to go, so I'll shake up my pre-workout real quick before heading out. Since I did already have a full cup of coffee, I'm gonna hit the stim-free. Stim-free is actually great because it still has the beta-alanine, and so it feels like I'm taking pre-workout without the extra caffeine. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to moderate my caffeine intake. I've been having like coffee, then pre-workout, then like matcha, then like another coffee, and it's not good for you. So, whew. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Actually, I usually do the water first. I never do it like that. So. Alright, thank you for watching. Wish me luck on this bench day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and lift, laugh, and love. Bye!